Question 1. What should you do before driving through a tunnel? B. Take off your sunglasses. Remove them before entering the tunnel so your vision is not restricted. Question 2. In ideal driving conditions, what should the minimum distance be between cars? A. A 2-second gap. Leave at least a 2-second gap so you have enough stopping distance. Question 3. What dangers should you be aware of as you approach this left-hand bend? B. Pedestrians coming towards you. On roads without pavements, people may walk facing traffic, so watch carefully around bends. Question 4. What would you expect to find in a motorway contraflow system? B. Lower speed limits. Speed limits are usually reduced, and lanes may be narrower than normal. Question 5. What does third-party insurance cover? B. Damage to other vehicles. It covers damage and injury to other people, but not your own vehicle. Question 6. What should you do if your car catches fire in a tunnel but is still drivable? A. Continue out of the tunnel if possible. Drive out only if it is safe to do so, because smoke in tunnels is very dangerous. Question 7. What is a consequence of driving long distances in neutral, also called coasting? A. Less control of your vehicle. Coasting reduces control because the engine cannot help stabilize the car. Question 8. What should you do if ill health affects your driving after passing your practical exam? C. Tell the DVLA. You must report any condition that could affect your ability to drive safely. Question 9. When would it be appropriate to use dipped headlights during daytime? C. When visibility is poor. Use dipped headlights when you cannot see clearly, usually at around 100 meters or less. Question 10. Under which of these circumstances may a passenger travel without using a seatbelt? D. When they have a valid medical exemption. That is the only acceptable reason, and everyone else should wear one.